Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and as you can see, my hair looks crazy. This is actually a 2-day-old wash and go that didn't last. It's dry, it's tangled, but thankfully TréLuxe sent me over some of their products to try, and the one I was most excited for is their new Aloe Vera Curl Primer. This primer is a part of their Soothe and Restore line and can be used in a variety of ways to help extend your wash day results. What I love about TréLuxe products is that they are made with all natural plant-based ingredients and are free of all the things we hate to put on our hair, such as sulfates, silicones, and parabens. Their products are formulated to improve hair health, bring curls back to life, and reduce styling time. If you're interested in trying some of their products, go to discovertreluxe.com and use code AmberChristineB15 for 15% off your purchase now until September 30th, 2023, 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Like I said before, the Aloe Vera Curl Primer helps to extend your wash day results and can be used as a pre-style primer, pre-poo detangler, or a curl refresher. Depending on how you use it, you can either rinse it out or leave it in. Today, I'll be using it as a pre-style primer, so I made sure my hair was freshly washed and soaking wet to get the best results possible. When applying, I take a generous amount and rake it through my hair with my fingers, and then I'll go in with my tangle teaser, making sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. I was amazed at how much slip this product had. It went straight through my hair. Whatever knots and tangles I had, they disappeared. The amount of definition I had from using only this was surprising as well. Usually it takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to detangle my hair, but with this, it only took about 10 minutes tops. On my channel, I have talked about my struggles with my hair being dry and matting up really bad to the point where cutting my hair was my only option. I'm also tender-headed, so usually I dread detangling my hair, but with this product, it made it easy and there was no pain whatsoever. I definitely recommend this if you have similar issues like mine. This product actually made detangling my hair an enjoyable process, which is surprising because I never thought that would happen. Besides having a nice slip, this product also has a really nice scent. If you've watched previous videos of mine, you know I am a sucker for a product with a good scent, and this product has one. I would say it has a fresh, sweet scent. The smell kind of reminds me of green apples. It's not strong at all, nor does it linger, so this won't bother you or give you headaches if you are sensitive to smells. What I also love about this product is the key ingredients are super simple. Aloe vera, vitamin C, and vitamin E, that's it. I like knowing that there are no harsh chemicals in this and that this product actually has ingredients in it that are geared towards helping my hair. So now that I'm done applying the curl primer, I'm going to style my hair using the Soothe and Restore Mousse. Mousses are actually one of my favorite things to style my hair with because they provide hold and defines my curls without flaking or weighing down my hair like some gels and creams do. And on top of that, because the mousse is lightweight, the drying time is a lot faster. After I was done styling my hair, I could tell it was going to look good once it was dry. My curls were defined and elongated, and I had no halo frizz, which is always a good sign. I did end up diffusing my hair, which didn't take long at all, and this is how my hair looked once it was completely dry. My hair had volume, definition, and most importantly, it felt and looked hydrated. The curl primer is something I'm going to continue to use along with other products from this line. I recommend trying their shampoo and deep conditioner mask as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.